So I have been seeing this a couple times over the last year and thought it was about time we put a video out on this because it's amazing that homeowners have not died yet. This same situation, even for me with almost 30 years experience, almost killed me last summer. That's a whole nother video to explain. Anyway, let me show you what's going on. So this is a brand new washer and dryer that was, just dropped off and installed by your local crackheads, as every other big box store uses. So this dryer, which should have the bonding strap from the ground, from this middle terminal over here to this ground terminal on the dryer, was installed by said crackhead from the hot leg over to the ground casing, or to the casing of the dryer. And in turn, what that did, once the system was energized, was legit welded this dryer to the washing machine. Unfortunately, that managed to kick the breaker, and no one in the residence had put their hands between the, dryer and the washer or any other grounded surface, or this hot leg, which was now energized. This entire dryer casing more or less would have killed them, because you can look up anything online and you'll see that the worst shock path is between arm to arm, because that goes directly across your heart. And plus they didn't put any kind of a connector in here to keep the wire from, shorting out against the opening. But these people that are dropping off your appliances are not qualified electricians. They don't know what the hell they're doing. And these big box stores need to quit using them because someone's going to get hurt. So, like I said, I have seen this, and it about got me last year, just helping out with a friend's dryer that wasn't working correctly. So I thought it was about time we put a little video out on this, and I don't know, as a homeowner, what you can do to prevent yourself from being injured by these people, but maybe at a minimum, take this back plate off before using it and just make sure that it is done correctly. I'll try to find a link to a wiring diagram or something that we can put up with this, but that's all I got for today. Stay safe.